In this episode, we unbox and review the Winx 50,000 mAh battery bank. If you're out and about and are always looking for a solution to charge your batteries while on the go, then this is a product you definitely want to consider having in your everyday kit. Let's get into the unboxing and then a detailed review on the specs of this awesome product. Right, let's get into unboxing this product. It's got one little seal right over there. I don't tear the box. Here we go. So one thing off the bat is it is quite heavy, but that would be expected. It is after all a 50,000 mAh battery bank. Now where is the opening? Is it here? No, so it opens up at the top here. Alrighty. So in the box, what have we got? Little booklet, some instructions. It has a 2-year warranty, which is fantastic. That's really good. All the information on here, there's the actual weight. It's 1,040 grams, just over a kilo. Let's get the actual unit out. Stuck on something was the cable. It's the cable. So let's just take that off. Really neat. Love the finish. You could feel this is a good, strong, solid product. It wasn't the cable, it was this lanyard. That's very nice. It's got a little compass on it. See all the ports. We'll get into detail with that shortly. And it comes with a 78% charge. And it has a nice little light on it. So that is pretty much what we get in the box. It's the owner's manual. And there's a cable in this box. Get it out. It's stuck down the side here. So without damaging the box. Right, and then it comes with your C-type cable. I don't believe this is a fast charging cable, just FYI, but it does come with a C-type cable. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Now let's get into a detailed review on all the specifications. And we've done some testing with it, so we'll get into that with you guys now. Stay tuned. So we've had our unit for about 2 weeks now, which has given us the time to really test this product thoroughly, and we're pretty impressed with the results, and we're now able to share this with you guys. So let's get into some technical specs. We have a 20-watt power delivery, a QC3 fast charge of 22.5 watts, simultaneously charge 4 devices, built-in LED flashlight, and recharge your smartphone up to 10 times, which is great. So if you're either out camping or hiking, or just out flying your drone, this is a product to have. So as you can see over here, we have the DJI RC controller on charge, and do take note that it is fast charging in this clip. It is vitally important that if you do want that fast charge capability, that you use a fast charger cable. If you don't use a fast charger, it will just charge normally at its slow rate. So that is important to note. Let's take a look at the port configuration. We have in 1, which is micro at 18 watts, in 2, which is Apple at 18 watts, in out 3 at 20 watts, and then we have USB out 4 and 5 at 15 watts, and USB out 6 at 22.5 watts. So another great feature is the LED light at the back. If you're in South Africa and suffer from load shedding, then this is a good thing to have. As you'll see in the next few clips, we really took the opportunity to charge as many devices as we possibly could with this battery bank. From Mini 2 batteries, Mini 1 batteries, we even took a completely dead Mini 3 Pro battery and charged it from 0 to 100% in about an hour and 45 minutes. So this little device is really handy to have out in the field when you just need that little bit extra flight time or battery time then this is something you definitely want to have in your kit. And to end off this video, we'll leave you guys with the technical specifications. I will put a link in the description below to where you can buy one of these. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here. Please do consider subscribing. It does keep the channel going and keeps us motivated to keep making more content for you guys. So until the next one, we'll catch you guys later.
Thank you.